Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin with Essentials, an updated iPhone and your Apple ID signed in. Open Settings and tap Screen Time, then Turn On. Choose whether this is your iPhone or a child's device so appropriate defaults apply. Once done, glance at the summary screen to see current limits. This gives quick context for changes you're about to make. Make sure to set a screen time passcode if you want settings locked. We'll configure that next to prevent accidental changes. Now you'll set the controls that shape daily use. Tap Downtime to schedule hours when only allowed apps run. This enforces focus during sleep or work. Next, add app limits by category or individual app and pick time allowances per day. Once time expires, the app is blocked. Use always allowed for phone or essential utilities, so they're exempt. Also review content and privacy restrictions to block explicit content and purchases. These options protect usage and enforce rules. Finish by assigning a screen time passcode so kids or others can't change limits. If managing family devices, enable family sharing to control remotely. Review the screen time summary to spot heavy apps and tweak limits accordingly. Make it a habit to adjust weekly. If you need to remove screen time, use Turn Off Screen Time and enter the passcode. Troubleshooting tip: if settings won't save, restart the iPhone, install any iOS update, or sign out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.